Now go to your Play Store and search for this app, kucoin. Now install the app. I've already installed it. Let me open it. I'm going to click open right now. Now this is the interface. This is where you're going to be buying your crypto. Now click on this buy crypto. Minimum zero trading fee, support BTC, USDT and Ethereum. That's where you're going to click. Okay, let me click it now. I've clicked it now. Click on this P2P. That means peer to peer. Now let me click on it. I've clicked on it. So since it is USDT that I am buying, these are the list of people that has USDT for sale. Austin has sales from 5,000 naira to 25,000 naira, and his price per dollar is 500 naira. Is 504 naira 5 kobo, and Arewa is 505 naira 5 kobo. So I will buy from Arewa Sand FX. He sells, his minimum is 550 naira, while his maximum is 30,000 naira. Okay, I think I will buy from him. Tiger's minimum is 3,000 naira, while his maximum is 400,000. Let me buy from Arewa. Now this is it. How many USDT do you wish to buy? So I'm going to insert the amount that I wish to buy here. So I'm going to insert the amount now. So I want to buy 10,000 naira. Yeah, that's it. Now I've already started 10,000 naira, and sorry, that's 100,000. let me delete 10 from it. Okay, we'll be receiving $19.78. Now click on buy now. Click on buy now. You have placed your order successfully. Now this is the details of the person you're going to pay into. Complete payment via the payment method requested by the merchants. Next it's this is the click make payment done button after you've completed blah blah. The order status will become. Now this the merchant details where you're going to be paying to. Abdullahi Abdullahi, bank account, bank of deposit Kuda Bank. Okay, please complete payments within this is stipulated time. You ought to complete payment. If you pay after this time, your money now or your and be your own. So we're gonna take this details now and make payment. So I've copied the account details. Okay, now let me go to my bank app. Where is GTB? Okay, let me open it. Open GT Word. It's loading. Okay, let's just wait for it a bit. Please be patient with me. My network is giving me issues. Exercise a little bit patience with me. Exercise a little bit patience with me. Okay, that's it. Okay, let me click on transfers. Let me make the payments. It's loading. Let me insert the payments. New beneficiary. Okay, this is the details. These are details. I've already inserted it. It's loading for me to make payments. I don't know if you're also experiencing network issues of lately. It doesn't even load up to up to 100 and something kilobytes per second. Okay, payment done successfully. This is it. I've been debited. Okay, let's go to kucoin. Okay, this is it. Now click on I've paid. I've clicked on it. I've paid. Please wait for your crypto release. Please wait for crypto release. Okay, we'll be waiting for the merchant to release the crypto. The seller has released the crypto. The transaction is completed. Now the seller has released the crypto. We'll be clicking on go to trade. Okay, like you can see now, you've received 19.78 $19.78, blah blah blah. Okay, you can see I've been debited. I've given me the coin I bought, $19.78 23. I don't even know if I should call those 1 cent. Now this is the debits and my VT with everything. This is it here. Now you can see, as you can see, that's it. Okay, now let's go to trade. Now let me show you, let me show you the money. Now click on assets. Okay, hey, it has reflected. You can see now I have $19.79. This is it. This is the USDT here. Now you can see how it is easy, how easy it is to actually buy coin. This is it here. It's not as you guys thought it would be. It's actually easy. It's actually easy to buy on kucoin. It's damn easy. Now you can start trading and start making the money you've always wanted to make. You can buy Doge, you can buy Inch, you can buy any coin you want to buy right here on this platform. My next tutorial, I will be showing you how to exchange this USDT to other coins, like how to trade on spot trading and how to use it to buy other coins that you want to buy. Thank you for watching. If you want to encourage me for me to keep making tutorials like this that will be helpful to you, please hit the subscribe button down below and also click on the bell notification icon so that you'll be notified when next I drop another video. Thank you for watching. Know that the crypto market is very volatile, so trade with care. I'll be dropping more videos on crypto and how to also make some few cash, or some extra cash, not few, some extra little cash airdropping. Thank you for watching. Thanks. Hola.